Hey guys, I'm about to show you how I saved a ton of money on refurbishing my couch. The kids had managed to pull the fabric, I guess it's kind of like a faux leather. So I went and got this upholstery fabric from the local fabric store here, and it was really cheap. And the lady was able to help me figure out exactly how much to buy to fit my seat cushions. So basically, we went with the width diameter. So that's about 26 inches, and the fabric itself was well over 50. So that meant that I could get two of the top panels per yard. So about 3 yards. This is what it looks like when you take the seat cushion cover off, and you just have to find the seam. So we're not going to do the three panels that are showing. We're just going to do that as one big panel. And then this is the bottom. You see everything else looks really good. So I don't have to try to remake the whole seat cover, just the top. So you see here, I found a little piece, finishing knot that they had there, and I cut that off to release the tension on that stitch. So finally I can see that little opening. That's my way in. So I'm going to use this spot to start to rip open the seam. Now why I didn't use a seam ripper, I just didn't. I used scissors. so, I'm not going to waste the full amount of time it took to open up this whole seat cushion. I won't say it was too terribly long, but I sped it up for you guys. So I have to cut out the piece I just removed the seat cover, and you see I have my in the direction I want it to sit on the seat cushion. It is folded, so I'll be cutting two at a time. It's the thing you really need to pay attention to do this is shape of the seat cushion. So it's not a regular rectangle. It's more has more rounded edges. So you want to make sure you follow those subtle nuances in the shape. So there you have it. So now is attach it. So you see it looks exactly the same fit that I removed from the seat cover. So now I'm going to put it. think that's about it. So it was really simple. You just take the seat cushion apart and use that as your pattern to cut your new fabric. Make sure you align your new piece in the right direction because you don't want to have it uh, not symmetrical, I guess is the right way to say that. The corners are even super easy. You don't have to slit them like you would with a garment. You can just sew right around the curve, and that's it. I think I did a double stitch after the first one. So that means that I first stitched it on the wrong sides, right sides together. Then I turned around and stitched it on the right side just to kind of give it a little more sturdiness so that the kids don't tear it up again. So, anyways, I do have four, no, five, no, four more, four more of these to make before I finish my couch. Oh, what do you think? I think I'm good. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So, four more to go. But I won't trouble you with those. I will show you the final results. So I also had to, I guess you cut the arms of the chair. And for those, I just measured the amount of space on the couch, hemmed the edges, and then essentially right on the couch because I separated everything. So I couldn't leave my arms out. So here you go. This is what it looks like. Well, this is what the one looks like. And I couldn't wait to get the rest of them done. I spent all day on the rest of the two couches. So what do you think? It's like new. So I hope you found this video helpful and that you will try it out. And I can't wait to see you guys next time.